Hi everybody. So I'm going to just demonstrate what you're going to do and then how you're going to move from this activity to working on the set of questions that you have. So you have 6 sheets of paper. You're going to take one of them and you're just going to roll it up in a ball like this. All right, one sheet only. And so try to make it a nice round little ball if you can, and then that ball of paper we'll say has a mass of 1. Now you've got your other 5 sheets of paper, and we're going to crumple those up, and this one's probably going to be a little bit tougher just because it's more paper, and you might have to get a little bit violent with it to get it to crumple. And just get it into the tightest mass of paper that you can. And so this will be our ball that has a mass of 5. So we have a ball with a mass of 1 and a ball with a mass of 5. Now what you're going to do is you're going to find a place where you can flick the papers, and you're just going to use your thumb and finger, whichever finger you flip the best with, it's fine. And you're going to just flick the paper. And so I'm going to move around here to the edge. All right. And so I'm going to first flick paper 1. Now, I'm not sure this is going to come across in the display, but in the video that I will post, you'll be able to see it. So I'm going to just flick. Now, what I'm going to try to do is flick with the same amount of force. All right, like Audrey mentioned, that if you push with the same amount of force, the little girl with the lightest mass would move the fastest. So here goes my first flick, and I'm going to flick it, and I've got a backstop over there so it doesn't go too fast. What I'm looking for is the speed that it's traveling. Now, if you have a large enough area and you want to try to see how far they go, that works too. But I'm going to go for speed. So here we go. Flick number 1. Paper mass of 1. Flick. All right. So that went pretty fast. Now I'm going to flick the same paper, same force. Not going to use additional force. And I'm going to flick this one. All right, and that one didn't even make it to the end. So now I'm going to go grab. As always, when you're doing these activities, you want to repeat. So here is mass 1, paper with a mass of 1, flicked. That time it got a good bounce and came back. And paper number 2, flick. All right. And so you can see there that those 2 papers reacted differently to the same force because they have differing masses, a mass of 1 and a mass of 5.